Hi dear Leos, a very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot. This is a general love reading for all the Leo, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind this is general. It might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the roles can be reversed anytime. And the third thing, this is a reading from today till the 10th of November. Okay, let's start. Leo, your partner's current energy right now is, let's see, your partner's current energy right now is Five of Wands. Okay, right now your partner is going through some kind of conflict or fight or some kind of, you know, inner conflict. There's something that is not working out in their energy. They're constantly fighting with themselves, might be with their colleagues or someone who is close to them, but there is conflicting energy in their current energy right now. Okay, let's clarify the Five of Wands. Let's see. Let's see what is happening. The Hermit could be dealing with the Virgo here, Two of Wands and Five of Wands again. This person is going within and they are just trying to find out the answers. They are just waiting for the time, waiting for the right time to resolve the conflict or resolve the fight. I feel like you guys are fighting from a very long time, or there's a cold war going on between you guys, and this person is just waiting for the right time to resolve this conflict. Okay, they are just going within and seeking answers from within, and they are feeling what is happening, what happened. They are just figuring out everything that they did wrong or you did wrong. They are just waiting for the right time to resolve the conflict. This is their current energy, sweetheart. Let's see what's your current energy, Leos. Let's see. The Hierophant. You could be dealing with a Taurus, or you are trying to be like a Taurus. Okay, this is the Hierophant. So the Hierophant energy is telling me that you are trying to tap into your spiritual side. Now what you want in your life is commitment, solid commitment, and or a married relationship. You are ready for a commitment. You are just ready for a commitment, and you are ready for a solid connection in your life. You are just growing from inside, and or it is also possible that you are attending some kind of spiritual ceremony and some spiritual guru is helping you in your expansion. There is some kind of spirituality involved right now in your energy. Let me clarify. Four of Pentacles, Page of Wands, and the Queen of Swords. So what your intuition is telling you, you are becoming spiritual because from inside you are totally broken and you are totally holding back. You are trying to control each and everything in your life. You are just holding back like this, holding few things in your life like this. You are not ready to release. You are not ready to release. Okay, you are holding back lots of things. You are just trying to control each and everything. You just want to burst out and tell them, might be tell your partner how you are feeling, or how you are dealing with the stress or situation in hand, and you are not just telling them your true emotions. You are not showing them your true emotions. You are just trying to work with your mind rather than your heart. You are trying to act cold, detached, and off from this person. Okay, and that's why you are tapping into spiritual side, because I feel like you are feeling that you are going to listen to intuition and you are going to do what is right. Okay, what is right for you. You are just going to do what is right for you, Leos. This is your current energy. Nice. Okay, I think I have gone so far. Okay, let's see what this person feels for you, their feelings for you. Let's see. Three of Wands. This person is just waiting for you. This person feels like waiting. They are right now might be turning their back towards you, but this person is just waiting. They feel like they have done everything that they could. Now they can just wait. They feel like that. Okay, let me clarify the Three of Wands as their feelings for you. What is happening? Nine of Pentacles, the World, and the Seven of Wands. It's a very difficult reading, always, always, always for Leos. So this person feels like you are doing good in your life, you are looking good, you are becoming financially independent, and now there's a cycle where there's a cycle that is completed in your life. And this person is also acting weird with you, like they're standing their ground. Might see, I think you guys had a fight in the recent past, and this fight is still in your energy, in both of your energies. And this person is just feeling like they're going to stand their ground no matter what. They're not ready to compromise in this situation. So what they are doing, they are just waiting. They are just waiting for you right now, turning their back. But still I feel like they're turning their back towards you, but still they are waiting. Okay, this person feels you are independent, you are becoming good, you are doing good in your life, and there's completeness of some kind of cycle between you guys. Okay, especially in your life. And this person is just acting cold and off and detached towards you, because this person is just waiting for you, waiting on you. Again, they are just waiting for the right time. Leo, let's see what this person wants from you, Leo. Sun, it is Leo energy. Could be dealing with another Leo here. So what this person wants from you is happiness. This is what they want. Might be this person just want you to be happy, but this person wants happiness in this relationship in general. This is what I'm getting here. Let me clarify. Happiness, childlike energy, innocence, and a brand new start with childlike innocence. This is what they want in this connection. They don't want any kind of commitment, or they don't want to give any kind of commitment to you, but this is kind of friendship, like a child. This is what they want. Let me clarify. King of Cups and the Wheel of Fortune and the High Priestess. This person does have lots of feelings for you, lots of love for you. This person does have lots of love and lots of feelings for you. They are just waiting. Again, they are just surrendering to the universe. They are like, I will see what will happen in the future, and I will just surrender to the universe. I will just go with the flow, and they are just trying to listen to their intuition. So what they want from you, they want a brand new start with you. I told you, because this person does have feelings for you, and they are surrendering to the universe regarding this connection. They are just trying to listen to their intuition, and their intuition is telling them that restart with the energy of a kid, with the energy of a child. Okay, this is what they want from you. Cool. Let me see what will come towards you till the 10th of November. Ace of Wands, brand new beginning, brand new beginning. It could be spiritual awakening. It could be third eye awakening for some of you, for few of you only. It could be if you are on your spiritual journey, especially the Hierophant is in your current energy. So it is telling me that there will be some kind of spiritual awakening happening in your energy right now. By the 10th of November, you are going to experience some kind of bliss. Okay, and for another people, it is some kind of restart in the connection again by the 10th of November. Brand new start and passionate start. It's kind of fiery energy. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius kind of energy. Let me clarify the Ace of Wands. It could be that you are very, very passionate about something, and now finally you are going to start it. Let me clarify. It's about love. They are coming to you with lots of love. This person feels like you are their soulmate, and they want to rush in, but they will not rush. They will not rush. Slowly but surely they will come to you. Okay, because they don't want to rush into in this connection, or they don't want you to rush into any kind of connection. So this person is like going to take a step back, might be, and analyze and contemplate each and everything, and then they will come back to you with an offer of friendship, or with an offer of let's explore things together, let's see where it is going. Okay, There's no commitment as of now. There's no I don't say this is there's no love. There's hell lot of love from their side to for you, hell lot of passion, but no commitment as of now. So Leos, this is your energy till the 10th of November. Thank you so much for connecting. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.